Recently, I made a video about Xiaomi security camera 2K. It has got like 350 views and 23 comments and everything. Some people have asked the doubts. I never knew that I would get these many videos for the security cameras and people were interested in security cameras. If I have to be honest, I have even more security cameras. I have two I plus I have this security camera, TP-Link Tapo outdoor security camera, where you can install this outside and it is waterproof. So even if it's raining, you don't have to worry about it. And if it is Alexa enabled, if you have a Alexa device which has a screen in it, let me show you this Alexa device which I'm talking about, Alexa Echo Show. So if you have this kind of device, you can live stream your security camera footage all the time, 24 hours. This is kind of costly Alexa Echo device, 14,000 rupees. But there is another Echo device which is like 4,000. You can buy that also to stream your footages. This is very much robust compared to Xiaomi security camera. I got this for 3,600. Now it is 3,400. But the lowest it has got is 3,000 rupees, 3,099. So this is the lowest. So anyhow, the Great Indian Sale is in the corner, right? It will arrive in September end. So I'm pretty sure that it will be at the 3,000 rupees. You can easily buy this, better than Xiaomi security camera, and it is expandable up to 512 GB. So even better than the Xiaomi security camera, where its maximum expansion is 256 GB. And the features about this camera is it can record in 2K, and it has very much accurate detection compared to the Xiaomi security camera. Like I'll show you entire thing. Don't worry, I'll show you the installation and everything. I have already installed it. I had no motivation to shoot the installation video at that time. I got this like 4 months ago, so I have lost the boxes and everything. Now the installation is there. So now this since this is an outdoor security camera, and you can actually install it outside. Now I'll go outside and show how it is installed and what are its features, how's the recording, how's the resolution, and what are its special features which Xiaomi doesn't have. Okay, now I have come outside to show the installation of the CCTV camera. If you look at the manual, it's quite straightforward to install. As I showed in the Xiaomi security camera installation, the installation is quite similar. Let me show you. So here's the camera, and as I told, the same plate will be provided, and this is the screw. So this screw will it will with this, if you lose this, you can actually move this camera anywhere you want. And in the Xiaomi security camera, you could have moved the camera anywhere you want using the app. You can rotate it, but here it's kind of stagnant, so you cannot rotate it using the app. So if you want to record some direction, you have to install it manually, so you cannot actually rotate it using the app. So here I have fixed to this location because this is my house, and I want to cover this much area, so that's why I have set it this much. And for the waterproofing, they have given this and this is the LAN cable. You can connect the LAN router to it. I mean, if you directly want the internet from your router, you can do it from the router, but I have connected wirelessly using the Wi-Fi, so I do not want the LAN connection to the camera. Since I have done it wirelessly, I have covered it because I don't want water to go inside it and ruin it. And this is the power, how the security camera actually gets the power. So this cable is quite long. As you can see from the window, I have actually taken this cable. Inside I have given the power supply, So from inside to outside, this is the connection. So here's a power connection going from inside to the outside, and this is my Wi-Fi router. Now I will show you the app, how the footage is, how the daylight footage is, how the nighttime footage is, what are its security features, how the siren will work, how the geofencing will work. I'll show everything now. So this is the Tapo app for the TP-Link CCTV camera, and I have already installed it, set it up 4 months ago. So now I'm actually walking through the app. What you can see, I mean, what are the features it offers. The installation is pretty much similar to the Xiaomi security camera what I have shown, and even the setting up is also same. You have to scan the QR code, it will set up. And here's the footage, live footage, which you are seeing right now. Here it shows the time, date, and everything. This is the playback and download. So various sessions have been recorded here. This is the movement, and if some person walks, that will be recorded. And if you see this green thing, then it is person. And if your vehicle moves, that will also be recorded. And let me show what it offers in the main page. This is talk. If you want to live talk with the other person, let's assume that you are somewhere and the delivery guy comes to your house, and if you want to chat with that person live, you can press and hold and talk. Whatever they'll be speaking, you can hear it here. Whatever you speak, they will hear. And this camera icon, what you're seeing, it will take the pictures and it will be saved on your phone, not on the SD card of the CCTV camera. So if you want if you want to take the picture quickly, you can do it, and this will be the video recording. Whatever happening right now, it will be recorded on your phone. This is the quick live video recording, and this one you can hear the microphone of the CCTV camera. You can hear the surrounding. And this one also, these also like I mean, instead of pressing and holding like what I showed just now, tap to talk, this is like a live calling itself. Yeah. And this is light. Camera actually has a few LED lights. It will actually glow in the night. If you are looking for something like that, if you want the live color footage, then you can use this light. I'll show this during the dark time. Now it is kind of light outside, so even if I turn it on, it will not be what is that? It will not make any justice. And this is Tapo Care, where you can save your recording to the cloud. If you opt for their 240 rupees per month, what is that subscription, you will get the AI features plus cloud. And this is alarm. You can actually if you turn this on, if somebody is in that area, if somebody comes into the area, then it will start beeping. It will make a really huge noise, so be careful before turning that one on. And if I go to the settings, here's the detection. What sort of detection you want. If it is the motion detection, you can turn this motion detection on, and you can set the sensitivity if you want it to be too sensitive, or if you want it to be liberal. And here's the activity zone. So in the activity zone, you can actually draw if something happens in this area, then only you should it should what is that, a record like that. I have set it to full because I want to record all the what is that, I mean the whole footage I want, not just this area. So I have set it to the full area. And this is the motion detection, turned it on. Person detection, turn on this one also. Activity zone, let it be full. I mean let it be this much, I think, or let it be full. And this is the vehicle detection. You can turn on the vehicle detection for this also. I have set up this much because I don't want to record all the vehicles passing by. And the line crossing detection, If somebody crosses this line, for example, if somebody crosses this line, then you will receive a notification and it will be recorded. There are so many features compared to the Xiaomi camera. I'm not kidding. Tons of features, tons of security features are there. And this is area intrusion detection. If somebody steps in this area, then you will again receive the notification. You can select a particular area like this. I want to cover this much area because that's where our car and the entrance of the home is. So I have selected that much. And this is camera tampering. If somebody is trying to cover your camera with hand, if they're trying to steal it, you will actually receive the notification. I have set it to high sensitivity. If somebody does anything to a camera, you will receive the notification for that one. It's a really good safety feature which which a Xiaomi camera lacks. And this is the status LED. If you want to if you want to turn this on, so that the small LED light will be on your camera, so that everyone will know that you are recording. I do not want to enable this one. And this is the spotlight settings. As I told at that time, this is the light, big LED light which comes from your camera. I'll show this at the night times, don't worry. This is the advanced settings. This is about the display setting and diagnostics. You can actually turn this on. It's a very good thing. If something happens to your camera, the logs will be there, recorded. Whether the power cut happened or you lost the internet, all the logs will be stored there. And these are smart actions. I have set it home. Like whenever my parents leave the house, or if I leave the house, I'll get a notification. I have automated this one. And yeah, that's it. I have pretty much covered all the features right now. And this is alarm. You can set it up if someone crosses that line. I don't want to do it because there's a residential house. There's not some kind of farm or anything. So I don't want to disturb others or ourselves by beeping it all the time. And this is the recording schedule. If you want to edit it, let me clear it all. Now if you want to record it on a particular time, you can actually draw these little boxes. Blue color means continuous recording. Detection recording means orange color. Only if some detection happens, then only it should record, right? So if you want those kinds of things, you can do it. But I want continuous recording all the time, so I don't mind. I have installed 128 GB SD card. So for 128 GB, it will record for roughly 20 days with high resolution. And you can select the resolution here also. Let me show it. Video and display, I have selected 2K. And this is invert image. By mistake, if you have installed your security camera upside down, don't worry, you can actually invert your image. And another thing, video and display, on-screen display information. Okay, now at that time I showed you, right, date it will show, time it will show, and display logo it will show. This is display text. So if you want some text to be there, you can do it. So I have set it Vishwanath. Let's see whether that will come here or not. Now as you can see, the name Vishwanath is actually present here, and someone was walking by. I got the notification. Just now you saw it, right? And for the notification settings, there are so many settings for notification also. For person, vehicle, and camera tampering, you can select. If you don't want the notification for vehicle, you can disable it. I have enabled it, so I don't care. And for motion detection, I have disabled it because so many motion will be happening, animals will be there, so I don't want to be bombarded with lots and lots of notifications. So almost all, I have covered all the features. This is actually a lot compared to the Xiaomi security camera. If you just spend 500 rupees more, you can get this camera, which is outdoor camera. I would recommend this over Xiaomi security camera because that is indoor and it doesn't have as many features as TP Link. The resolution is also very good. Even if I zoom in, it's pretty good resolution, to be honest. And there is another thing I forgot to tell you. There is night mode. So when it's complete dark outside, you can actually enable this night mode and it will record using the infrared light. So using the infrared light, it will actually do like this. See, just now you are seeing, right? This is IR, and now again I have set it to auto. So using the infrared light, it will record in night times. Even if it's pitch dark, you don't have to worry about it. So that's the thing. Okay guys, let me meet you guys in the next video. I hope I have covered almost all the features, and this is your another one I forgot to tell you, third party services. If you want to link with your Alexa, you can actually do it here. If you have the Echo Show, then you can see the live recording, and for Google Assistant also. And for Samsung, if you have the Samsung mobile and the watch, you can watch the live recording from the Samsung watch only. There are so many features here. Yeah, that's it. And there'll be some firmware updates here and there. You can update it here only. I actually told you guys that I will show in the dark situation, but there is actually a street light in front of our house. So it actually provides the enough light, so it will shoot in the color format only. It won't use the IR, that means infrared recording, because it's not pitch dark outside because of the street light. So if we lose the electricity, if we get the power cut, then we can actually see the infrared recording. Now this is the nighttime shooting, and I can actually turn on the light here. So this is how it turns on the light, and I'll actually go outside and shoot it. So as you can see, here's the app, and that is the security camera. Now I'll turn on the light. The light will actually turn on, but it won't make a difference because of the street light. That's it guys, that is the review about the TP-Link outdoor security camera. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family who is planning to install the CCTV camera to their house. And do check out my other video about the Xiaomi security camera, which is indoor security camera.